Hurry, the beach is waiting. Beautiful 3-bedroom/2-bath, 2,227 square feet heated and 3,218 under roof home in desirable Bay Hills, excellent neighborhood. Located close to the beaches, shops, parks, the trail, restaurants, schools. Open floor plan from front door and dining area through the living room out to the large screened Florida lanai that overlooks nice landscaped backyard, pretty views of greenery, flowers and trees. The master is split from the 2 other bedrooms and has access through sliding doors to the screen enclosed lanai. Front door walkway and bathroom has wheelchair accessibility, and walk-in tub with hydro spa massaging jets and shower. Decorative vessel sink accents the granite vanity and guest bathroom. The new kitchen features breakfast bar with gorgeous granite and cabinets with built-in refrigerator. Laundry located inside. Plenty of pantry space and many closets. Recently remodeled home has lots of natural light and nice private backyard perfect for entertaining. Back needs sod or pavers to enhance. Room for a pool, designs already with pools by Jordan. Newer AC installed, new electrical panel, water softener, reverse osmosis, and brand new shingle roof and flat roof too. You must see this home, but please look over boxes, belongings, clutter and furnishings that family is sorting through. Call to schedule your private showing today. This stunner will not last long.